What was the first artificial satellite launched by the Soviet Union? Sputnik 1, Luna 1, or Explorer 1? The great answer is Sputnik 1. Which famous rock and roll star became a sensation in the mid 1950s? Buddy Holly, Elvis Presley, or Little Richard? The great answer is Elvis Presley. What conflict ended in 1953 with an armistice? Korean War, World War II, or Vietnam War? The great answer is Korean War. Which iconic car was introduced by Chevrolet in 1953? Camaro, Corvette, or Mustang? The great answer is Corvette. What popular toy was first sold in 1959? Hula hoop, Barbie, or Legio? The great answer is Barbie. Who was the British Prime Minister for most of the 1950s? Winston Churchill, Anthony Eden, or Harold M. Macmillan? The great answer is Harold M. Macmillan. What popular 1950s TV show featured a talking horse, Mr. Eddie, Lassie, or The Lone Ranger? The great answer is Mr. Eddy. Which treaty established the European Economic Community in 1957? Maastricht Treaty, Treaty of Rome, or Lisbon Treaty? The great answer is Treaty of Rome. What was the first color-featured film released by Disney in the 1950s? Cinderella, Peter Pan, or Sleeping Beauty? The great answer is Sleeping Beauty. Who was the first man to climb Mount Everest in 1953? Edmund Hillary, Reinhold Messner, or George Mallory? The great answer is Edmund Hillary. Which American singer became known as the king of rock and roll? Chuck Berry, Elvis Presley, or Jerry Lee Lewis? The great answer is Elvis Presley. What was the major health crisis in the US during the early 1950s? Smallpox, polio, or tuberculosis? The great answer is polio. What was the first credit card introduced in 1950? Diners Club, Visa, or MasterCard? The great answer is Visa. Which famous 1950s toy was originally called the Magic Screen, Viewmaster, It's a Sketch, or Light Bright? The great answer is It's a Sketch. What was the name of the first successful polio vaccine developer? Jonas Salk, Albert Sabin, or Louis Pasteur? The great answer is Jonas Salk. Which major US Supreme Court case declared school segregation unconstitutional in 1954? Brown v. Board of Education, Plessy v. Ferguson, or Roe v. Wade? The great answer is Brown v. Board of Education. What type of music did Ray Charles popularize in 1950s? Jazz, soul, or blues? The great answer is soul. What major 1950s event is associated with the launch of the Sputnik satellite? Space race, Cold War, or Cuban Missile Crisis? The great answer is space race. Which famous 1950s novel was written by J.D. Salinger on the road, Catcher in the Rye or Fahrenheit 451? The great answer is Catcher in the Eye. Which fast food chain opened its first restaurant in 1955? Wendy's, Burger King, or McDonald's? The great answer is McDonald's. What was the name of the first nuclear-powered submarine launched in 1954? USS Nautilus, USS Seawolf, or USS Enterprise? The great answer is USS Nautilus. Which iconic 1950s TV show featured Lucille Ball, I Love Lucy, The Honeymooners, or Leave It to Beaver? The great answer is I Love Lucy. What year did Disneyland first open its door? 1953, 1955, or 1957? The great answer is 1955. What was the primary purpose of NATO formed in 1949? Promote economic cooperation, collective defense against aggression, or space exploration? The great answer is collective defense against aggression. What was the name of the first hydrogen bomb test conducted in 1952? Operation Ivy, Operation Crossroad, or Operation Hardtack? The great answer is Operation Ivy. Who led the Cuban Revolution that began in 1950s? Fidel Castro, Che Guevara, or Batista? The great answer is Fidel Castro. What was the name of the first rock and roll song to reach #1 on the Billboard chart? Rock Around the Clock, That Is Alright, Heartbreak Hotel? The great answer is Rock Around the Clock. What was the primary means of television broadcasting in the 1950s? Cable, satellite, or over the air? The great answer is over the air. Which actress starred in Some Like It Hot 1959? Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn, or Elizabeth Taylor? The great answer is Marilyn Monroe. What famous play by Arthur Miller was first performed in 1953? Death of a Salesman, The Crucible, or A View from the Bridge? The great answer is The Crucible. What was the major scientific discovery by Francis Crick and James Watson in 1953? Structure of DNA, theory of relativity, or penicillin? The great answer is a structure of DNA. Which leader was in power during the Hungarian Revolution of 1956? Nikita Khrushchev, Joseph Stalin, or Leonid Brezhnev? The great answer is Nikita Khrushchev. What was the original name of the NASA Space Agency when it was founded in 1958? NASA, NASA, or NSAO? The great answer is NSA. Which famous jazz musician recorded Kind of Blue in 1959? Duke Ellington, Miles Davis, or John Coltrane? The great answer is Miles Davis. What major event was the first widely watched live television broadcast in 1953? Queen Elizabeth's II coronation, Nixon Kennedy debates, or Apollo 11 moon landing? The great answer is Queen Elizabeth II Corporation. Which famous children's book by Dr. Seuss was published in 1957? Green Eggs and Ham, The Cat in the Hat, or 14 Years Ago? The great answer is The Cat in the Hat. What major sporting event did Brazil win for the first time in 1958 FIFA World Cup, Wimbledon or Olympics? The great answer is FIFA World Cup. What was the major form of the home entertainment before the rise of television in the 1950s, radio, newspaper or movie theaters? The great answer is radio. What international conflict began in 1955 involving Vietnam, First Indochina War, Vietnam War or Korean War? The great answer is Vietnam War. Which 1950s film featured the line "Here, looking at you kid Casablanca, rebel without a cause on the waterfront"? The great answer is Casablanca. Which car company introduced the Thunderbird in 1955, Chevrolet, Ford or Dodge? The great answer is Ford. What significant medical advancement was achieved by Dr. Christian Barnard in 1958? First artificial heart, first organ transplant or first heart transplant? The great answer is first heart transplant. What type of music was primarily associated with the 1950s beatniks, rock, jazz or blues? The great answer is jazz. Which famous 1950s television host later became a game show mogul? Eddie Sullivan, Johnny Carson or Dick Clark? The great answer is Dick Clark. What was the highest grossing film of the 1950s? Ben-Hur, The Ten Commandments or Sleeping Beauty? The great answer is Ben-Hur. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1954 for efforts in organizing the United Nations? Dag Hammarskjöld, Albert Schweitzer or Lester B. Pearson? The great answer is Albert Schweitzer. What popular magazine was first published in 1953? Sport Illustrated, TV Guide or Playboy? The great answer is Playboy. Who played the lead role in 1954 film Rear Window? James Stewart, Cary Grant or Marlon Brando? The great answer is James Stewart. What was the first international treaty to ban the testing of nuclear weapons signed in 1958? Partial Test Ban Treaty, Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty or Atlantic Treaty? The great answer is Partial Test Ban Treaty. Which US state became the 49 in 1959? Arizona, Alaska or Hawaii? The great answer is Alaska. Which famous car racing event was first held in 1950? Daytona 500, Indianapolis 500, Formula One World Championship? The great answer is Formula One World Championship. What was the name of the first commercial jet airliner introduced in 1958? Boeing 707, Douglas DC-8 or Lockheed Constellation? The great answer is Boeing 707. Which actress starred in Gentlemen Prefer Blondes in 1953? Jane Russell, Marilyn Monroe or Lauren Bacall? The great answer is Marilyn Monroe. What was the first color TV show broadcast in 1951? The Eddie Sullivan Show, Kukla, Fran and Ollie, Adventure of Superman? The great answer is Adventures of Superman. Who discovered the structure of DNA in the 1950s? James Watson and Francis Crick, Linus Pauling, or Rosalind Franklin? The great answer is James Watson and Francis Crick. Which technology company was founded in 1958 and revolutionized computing? Intel, Fairchild Semiconductor, or IBM? The great answer is Fairchild Semiconductor. What music genre became widely popular among teenagers in 1950s? Rock and roll, jazz, and country? The great answer is rock and roll. Who was the famous civil rights leader arrested during the Montgomery bus boycott in 1955? Martin Luther King, J.R. Rosa Parks, or Malcolm X? The great answer is Rosa Parks. What was the original name of the first programming language created in 1957? Fortran, COBOL, or Bash? The great answer is Fortran. Which novel by Jack Kerouac defined the beat generation in 1950s? On the Road, The Drama Bombs, or Big Short? The great answer is On the Road. Which 1950s actress starred in Roman Holiday and Breakfast at Tiffany? Audrey Hepburn, Grace Kelly, or Elizabeth Taylor? The great answer is Audrey Hepburn. What 1950s toy was known for its ability to bounce and stretch? Play-Doh, Silly Putty, or Yo-Yo? The great answer is Silly Putty. Who sang the 1956 hit song Blue Suede Shoes? Elvis Presley, Carl Perkins, or Jerry Lee Lewis? The great answer is Carl Perkins. Which science fiction film released in 1956 featured a robot named Robbie? Invasion of the Body Snatcher, The Day the Earth Stole, Forbidden Planet? The great answer is Forbidden Planet. What 1950s TV show starred George Gibbs as a superhero? Batman, The Lone Ranger, or Adventures of Superman? The great answer is Adventures of Superman. Who was the first actress to appear on the cover of TV Guide in 1953? Grace Kelly, Marilyn Monroe, or Lucille Ball? The great answer is Lucille Ball. Which Elvis Presley song was his first big hit in 1956? Heartbreak Hotel, Hound Dog, or Jailhouse Rock? The great answer is Heartbreak Hotel. What was the first 3D movie released in 1953? House of Wax, Dial M for Murder, or It Came from Outer Space? The great answer is House of Wax. Who wrote the 1954 book Lord of the Flies? J.D. Salinger, William Golding, or George Orwell? The great answer is William Golding. What innovation did RCA introduce to television in 1954? Remote control, color television, or high definition? The great answer is color television. Which artist released the album Morning in 1958? Art Blakey, Miles Davis, or John Coltrane? The great answer is Art Blakey. What was the major form of international communication before the advent of satellite? Cable transmission, radio transmission, or telegraph? The great answer is radio transmission. Which dance craze swept the nation in the late 1950s? The jitterbug, the twist, or the charleston? The great answer is the twist. Was the author of the 1953 novel Fahrenheit 451, Isaac Asimov, Ray Bradbury, or Arthur C. Clarke? The correct answer is Ray Bradbury. What was the first African American sitcom to air on national TV in 1951? Ants and Andy, The Buell Show, or Julia? The correct answer is The Buell Show. What major scientific discovery was made by Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin in 1950s penicillin structure of DNA or double helix model? The correct answer is penicillin. Which famous musical opened on Broadway in 1957? The Sound of Music, West Side Story, or My Fair Lady? The correct answer is West Side Story. What was the name of the Soviet Union first successfully intercontinental ballistic missile launched in 1957? Titan 1, V2 rocket, or R7 Semyorka? The correct answer is R7 Semyorka. Who hosted the popular 1950s TV variety show Your Show of Shows? Milton Berle, Jack Benny, or Sid Caesar? The correct answer is Sid Caesar. What was the first video game created in 1958? Pong, Tennis for Two, or Space War? The correct answer is Tennis for Two. Which famous 1950s singer had its hit Diana and Put Your Head on My Shoulder? Pat Boone, Paul Anka, or Buddy Holly? The correct answer is Paul Anka. What 1950s technological innovation allowed for the first time dialing number directly? Touch-tone dialing, rotary dialing, or operator-assisted dialing? The correct answer is rotary dialing. What was the first mass-produced computer in the 1950s? UNIVAC, ENIAC, IBM 704. The correct answer is UNIVAC. What was the title of Elvis Presley's first film released in 1956? Love Me Tender, Jailhouse Rock, or King's Roll? The correct answer is Love Me Tender. Who won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1954? Bertrand Russell, William Faulkner, or Ernest Hemingway? The correct answer is Ernest Hemingway. Which 1950s sitcom was set in Mayfield and focused on the Cleaver family? Leave It to Beaver, Father Know Best, or The Donna Reed Show? The correct answer is Leave It to Beaver. What was the name of the first man-made object to reach the moon in 1959? Luna 1, Lunar 4, or Explorer 6? The correct answer is Luna 1. What toy introduced in 1958 became a building block for children's creativity? Lincoln Logs, Allegio Bricks, or Tin Cure Toys? The correct answer is Allegio Bricks. What major sporting event did Roger Bannister achieve in 1954, winning the Wimbledon, running the first sub 4-minute mile, setting a world record in pole vault? The correct answer is running the first sub 4-minute mile. Which country launched the first artificial satellite in 1957? Soviet Union, United States, or United Kingdom? The correct answer is Soviet Union. What was the first TV series to be filmed in color in 1954? The Adventure of Superman, The Kisco Kid, or Dragnet? The correct answer is The Kisco Kid. Which actress starred in To Catch a Thief 1955? Grace Kelly, Ingrid Bergman, or Audrey Hepburn? The correct answer is Grace Kelly. What was the first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier launched in 1958? USS George Washington, USS Nimitz, or USS Enterprise? The correct answer is USS Enterprise. Which Alfred Hitchcock movie featured the infamous crop dusting scene, North by Northwest, Rear Window, or Vertigo? The correct answer is North by Northwest. What was the primary component of early 1950s home audio system, CDs, cassette tapes, or Vinyley records? The correct answer is Vinyley records. What type of plastic introduced in 1950s became widely used for making Tupperware? Polythene, polypropylene, or polyestyrene? The correct answer is polythene. What was the first computer programming language used commercially in 1957? COBOL, Fortran, or BASIC? The correct answer is Fortran. Which iconic comedian starred in the 7-Year Itch 1955? Audrey Hepburn, Marilyn Monroe, or Doris Day? The correct answer is Marilyn Monroe. What was the first space mission to successfully return photo of the fair side of the moon in 1959? Luna 3, Pioneer 4, or Explorer 6? The correct answer is Luna 3. What major event marked the start of the modern civil rights movement in the US in 1955? March on Washington, Little Rock integration, or Montgomery bus boycott? The correct answer is Montgomery bus boycott. Thanks for playing this quiz. Drop in your score in the comments, please.